In a world full of noise, stress, and distraction, the heart slowly becomes restless. People search everywhere for peace, but many forget the one place where true peace begins. Murakaba, a deep spiritual practice of reflection, awareness, and connection with Allah. It is the art of calming the mind and awakening the soul. Murakaba begins with silence. Not just silence of the mouth, but silence of the heart. For a few moments, a person disconnects from the world and turns their attention completely toward Allah. No distractions. No noise. Only awareness. Murakaba is not empty meditation. It is remembrance. The person reflects on Allah's greatness, mercy, and presence. The heart slowly becomes lighter and the mind becomes calm. Because hearts find peace in the remembrance of Allah. Modern life constantly pulls attention in every direction. Phones, stress, noise, fear. Murakaba teaches people to pause, to step away from distractions and reconnect with what truly matters. Murakaba is also a mirror for the soul. It allows a person to reflect on their actions, mistakes, intentions, and relationship with Allah. Real growth begins when a person becomes honest with themselves. The world may remain chaotic, but Murakaba creates peace within. A peaceful heart reacts differently to hardship. Fear becomes smaller, patience becomes stronger, and trust in Allah grows deeper. Murakaba strengthens spiritual awareness. It reminds people that Allah is always near, even in loneliness, even in sadness, even in silence. No prayer goes unheard. Many hearts carry stress, pain, and emotional wounds. Murakaba helps slow the mind and soften the heart. Healing begins when a person starts running from silence and learns to sit with it peacefully. Murakaba is not about escaping life. It is about understanding it more deeply. The more a person reflects, the more they understand themselves, their purpose, and their dependence on Allah. At its core, Murakaba is about returning to Allah with sincerity. Not through noise but through stillness. Not through distraction but through awareness. And sometimes, the quietest moments become the moments that change a person forever.